Hi, my name is Nishant, and today we are going to start the introduction of C Sharp. It's a programming language that was developed in 2000 by Anders Hagelsberg. It's an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft, and it runs on a .NET framework. C Sharp has roots from the C family, and it means this language is very close to other programming languages like C++ and Java. The first version was released in 2002, and the latest version of C Sharp is 11, and it was released in November 2022. We can use C Sharp for many purposes like to build mobile, desktop, and web applications, to build web services, websites, and games also. The next question is why C Sharp? So it's one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's easy to learn and simple to use. It has a huge community support. Means if you face any issue, you would get the solution on Google easily. C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language, as we said earlier, which gives a clear structure to the programs, and then we can reuse the code. C Sharp is very close to C, C++, and Java. It means it makes easy for the programmers to learn or to switch from one programming language to another. The next question is, what is the best tool to use C Sharp? So Visual Studio is the best tool to start your coding practice, and the latest version of Visual Studio is 2022. You can go and you can download the community version of Visual Studio. The next question is how much time it will take to learn C Sharp. So it will take around 2 to 3 months to learn the basics of C Sharp. Thank you. Let's connect in the next meeting.